Guys, I'm here. That's my van over there. Looking at this BMW 5 Series. Okay, I've got the fans on, but the fans are not working. Full speed ahead, yeah. Nice interior, isn't it? Now, my way of quickly diagnosing the problem. If you look down into the fan down there, you can see the fan. That's the fan, right? I stick my finger in there. Very dangerous. I just want to give the fan a few rotations. Oh, I don't lose my flipping finger. But I spin it earlier. And the more you spin it, it might start spinning. At the moment, it's spinning. Let me go with a. Oh, I was talking to myself for a minute, so sorry about that. But right, if you look in here now, you can see. Looking through. Let me see. Alright, you can see that bit there. You can see that the fan isn't turning, right? I stick my finger in there and let's just help it. Like that, it's going again. Yeah. And that's the easiest way to diagnose a fault of a fan, right? A fan is a motor. Motors have brushes. And eventually they break down. Yeah, so they start spinning. You know, like a starter motor in a car, you might hit it with a hammer and it'll start working. It's the same thing with a fan because it's the same sort of motor. So you just get it hit. I can't really hit that, there's a lot of plastic in there. So I'll just give it a little spin with my finger and it starts spinning. And that's enough for me to know that we just need to change the fan. Okay? Now, it's not impossible that the control for the speeds of the fan could be faulty. But at the moment this is on high speed, so when it's on high speed the resistor is completely bypassed. Alright, so I'm just gonna call my customer back. This is a really quick job for me, you know, get that money. But yeah, I'm gonna call him up for a fan replacement.